105. Hey, it's hearty, it's pretty, and it's loaded with the superstars of the season. This salad celebrates everything to love about autumn, and Becca Jackson is joining me in the kitchen to share her recipe for candied butternut squash salad. I'm salivating just saying that and seeing this. This is fall under glass.
Yes.
In the case of the mason jar.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Fall in a bowl if you want to eat it.
Fall in a jar.
The normal way.
Yep.
Okay, what do you love about the salad beside all of the obvious?
So the color, and also I think a lot of times summer salad, you think light, refreshing. I think fall salad, I'm like, okay, I want a little more hearty, substantial color, you know? So it's a little more like I want to sit down and eat a bowl of salad, my jar of salad.
It's a big girl salad.
Yeah, yeah.
In the
a little more
best way.
substantial. Yep,
substantial.
exactly.
Okay, so candied butternut, I have never attempted.
Yeah, so
it
we've done, you've seen the candied nuts, almonds, whatever. So it's just, we're gonna roast our butternut squash. So I've just chopped it up, olive oil, so this is already cooked. But then we're gonna add, just so this is
cooked.
So this is cooked. Yeah.
Okay.
So I cooked it for about 25 minutes.
Okay.
But then we're gonna add
like
just a
roasty,
little
450?
bit. Yeah, like 400.
Okay.
425 minutes. And then I'll just take like a little bit of butter and I'll kind of just spread it around. So it's not, the key is here is don't overdo it on the candied, right? I
mean, like you're talking to me.
I know. So it's like a little bit of butter.
Yeah.
But then we're gonna do our cinnamon. And once again, like don't go too crazy.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Cinnamon and brown sugar. So we're gonna add that all on there on this butternut squash. It's already cooked, but then we're gonna throw it back into the oven for like 5 minutes. You know, because brown sugar, it's gonna give that like really yummy, like caramely.
You've got your mix.
Caramely texture. So we're gonna put this in. So just for like 5 minutes.
Oh, that's
just
it?
Just like 5 minutes.
Okay.
We'll let it cook, do a little TV magic.
This is why I'm so spoiled in my home kitchen. I'm like, you actually have to
I
cook
have
it?
to actually wait. So there's our candied butternut squash.
Can I?
Yes,
May
oh yeah,
I?
taste it, please do. So it should be soft, not too soft, yummy,
that's so good.
right? So it like goes with like this other hearty big salad, but you've got the sweetness in the salad. So
cinnamon.
don't overdo it on the butter and the sugar. The cinnamon will be plenty. So you do want to cool this off. So it cools off fast. You can leave it on the pan, you can take it off the pan. I don't know, but you want it cool before we put it in that salad.
It also adds, as we transition to salad mode with this big, beautiful bowl in front of us, it also adds that salad texture that we're after, where you're varying the crunch meets the squish. Meets the,
Oh yeah, it's giving extra texture and it's also giving an extra, it's gonna make you more full. It's a little more fullness to the salad.
Okay, beautiful greens.
I'm gonna be making the salad, you're gonna stuff the jar.
Okay.
How's that?
Oh, I love it.
So we're gonna start, I already have my salad. Actually, I need to save you some salad for the top.
Yeah, I need some green.
So that's gonna, but we're gonna add that last.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's just gonna come over here for a minute.
Thank you.
So first, you grab those tongs. We're gonna do, when you're doing a jar, you wanna do the heaviest first. So you're gonna start with your chicken and throw that on in there.
So this is my mom lunch tomorrow, right?
Yep, exactly. Even tomorrow or 2 days from now, 3 days from now. So, and same thing with the salad. We're gonna kind of put the heaviest, most substantial stuff on the bottom.
You're going for more, I'm going
I've got
for more.
chicken. Oh, I love chicken.
Protein.
I can't come on here without talking about protein. So, and the chicken's cooked. Okay, and then we go with our...
The chicken's cooked, I hope so.
Just you know, want to clarify. And you can do this with squash, but also try it with sweet potatoes. The same thing, it looks very similar. I don't know, carrots, why not?
I'm suddenly in a race with
carrots.
Becca for the most.
Who's gonna get the
butternut?
Okay, so we've got that. So we've got our chilled, our
Okay.
cooled, and then we're gonna add, so we've talked about like substance to the salad. So we've got our protein, we've got a little more filling veggie, and then I like to go with texture and color. So also these pears, let's talk about this for a minute.
Are these pears?
So they're pears.
I thought they were apples.
But also I cut them like 2 hours ago and notice how they're not brown.
Right.
So I just soaked them in some salt water just for like 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then rinse it, drain it, get all that salt out of there.
It keeps them pretty.
Yeah, so they're not brown.
Nice.
And then also what kind of makes this like a holiday fall winter salad are these pomegranates.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna we're just gonna layer that on there, and that gives us that color and also that texture, because we've got like this nice juicy pop on this salad.
Gosh, the juice will just
Right,
burst.
we've got like this soft butternut squash.
Okay, I was already
yummy.
sold, but the pears just took it right over the top for me.
I
Delish.
know. So yummy. And then craisins, we've got a little bit of chew. Yep, go on in there.
I'm just getting cozy.
I
We're
like
all
it.
friends
Go on
here.
in. We're in. So we've got the craisins.
Oh my gosh.
And then we've got feta. We've got this feta.
It just keeps getting better.
So we're gonna and that gives like a little bit of fat, a little bit of yummy, salty bite. So it's gonna kind of counterbalance that cinnamon and sweetness with the squash.
Okay.
So 2 things with the jar and the salad. So now we got our crunch. So I just have some pistachios. These are actually honey roasted pistachios. So if you're serving the salad right away, add them on. If you're doing a jar, I would say anything that has a crunch to it, save it for later.
Okay.
Because if you put that in there with all that like sweet, yummy, moist things, it's gonna soften. So we're gonna set that crunch aside.
Okay.
So there's your pistachios already set aside for you. And then we've got our dressing. So homemade dressing. I've already mixed it up. It has olive oil, mayo, red wine vinegar, garlic, and maple syrup. Yum. So once again, we're tying in that little bit of maple with the cinnamon on the butternut squash.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. So
this is like harvest
your little
in a
salad
bowl.
jar. Oh, you just gotta top in your lettuce. So you're putting the lightest thing on top.
Yep.
We're just gonna stuff that in there as much as you can. And when you eat this, you wanna stuff in that lettuce. When you eat it, it's best if you take it out and serve it all on a plate. You know, because it's gonna be hard to get in there and eat everything.
Right.
So you're gonna seal that shut, stuff it in your fridge, and eat it tomorrow, the next day, whatever. But and then serve this right away. Look how beautiful that is.
I'm so excited to make this beautiful salad. It's like sort of autumn in a bowl, as we said. Thanksgiving in a bowl. It feels like all the right colors and textures. Becca, you're so good at this, helping us mix the right balanced nutritional items for a really filling meal. I know it's what you do in our cookbook. I'm a big fan of this. In fact, I told Becca I do my meal planning on Friday nights.
I love it.
Exciting. We're real fun around my house.
Meal planning.
I have her book as part of my spread on my bed as I'm doing my grocery order and figuring it out. How do we get ourselves a copy?
So right now I'm just selling them online. I just have a link on my Instagram account. It's just a Shopify if the cookie fits. On my Instagram account. And yeah, I'm just selling them. It's just been fun. Basically everything I've ever posted on Instagram the last 7 years, I threw into a cookbook, and it's just a good balance of treats, but salad, kind of like healthy minded meals. But like the cookies have sugar and flour and lots of yummy things. So
there's a simplicity to it too. It's super approachable. I love the spirals.
Very, very simple. So
if the cookie fits.
If the cookie fits on Instagram.
Where you can get your own copy to help with your own Friday night meal planning. I know I'm not alone out there. And of course her Instagram has other great recipes as well. Thank you so much for sharing this candied butternut salad. We love it. We love it.